Everybody, welcome to this video. What I'm going to do today is just showing you the new feature that has been published some days ago on ProxyDoctor with the new version 0.3, and I'm talking of course about the new MCP server plugin. And the first thing that I have to do is just remember the command, but don't worry if you feel lost. Remember that you can always use the CLI --help flag in order to recover the name of the flag that you need. In this case, remember that we have two different modalities in order to use plugins in ProxyDoctor. The first one is the standard one, and it works like this. We have the name of the command, for instance diagnos, and then we can put here the flag in order to use some additional checks, for example. But in this case we are talking about a standalone plugin, so we can just put the basic command, the main command, that is CLI, and then we can just add plugin immediately after. So the name of the plugin is MCP server. Okay, so if you look at the right panel, you can see that I've already did this test. I tried to reach Google with this proxy, and these are the results of the 5 checks that have been performed. So as a first step, we will try to doing again this test, but this time using just natural language. Okay, so let's start again our MCP server. Okay, the MCP server is up on port 9090. So remember that this version is compatible just with opencode. If you want to try to implement some different versions for other coding agent, of course you're free to do that. Let's start opencode, and I've already here my query that is basically the same. Check connectivity to Google.it by using this proxy using ProxyDoctor tool. And since we wrote the opencode.jsonc file, he already knows, at least we expect this, he already knows that how to use the tool. Let's try. Is charging, but yeah, as you can see in the thinking section, it passed correctly the parameters, and what we want to obtain is the same table that we have seen before, and that's what we got. Same checks, same result. Okay, so let's try another kind of query. For instance, please run the compare mode. Let's see if it is able to do that. Yeah, that's what I mean. No proxy, and then with proxy. Take your time, buddy. Again, the parameters are correct. Let's see the breakdown. Amazing. Fantastic. Okay, so as you can see, it works perfectly. If you have any kind of question, of course, just leave a comment, and see you in the next video.